Alright, so I doubt any of you are actually still watching, but, yeah, I forgot to record with my mic on. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that music, and now it's gonna be time to open this box, which isn't opening for some reason. Not sure why. Open. Open, open, open. Why is it not opening? So yeah, I'm just gonna skip that one because I have 3 months to do this. Yeah, 5 twisted lava, 2 gems, and now we're on to cooked fish, which, yeah, I was gonna say I assume is Shipwreck Shore. So we are going to go ahead and head right. I don't think there are any on the left. I'm gonna put on a electric pet now because that's gonna do the most. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is to go up, and there's nothing on the left except for this one. I'm 100% sure of that, and we just have to avoid this box, so we'll get around it. There we go. And is nothing gonna open? Okay, I'm gonna just reload the page. I think it has to do with the fact that I closed my computer for 2 hours while doing this. Okay, so for some reason we spawned back here, further proving my point that it's because I had my computer closed for 2 hours, because that is where I closed my computer at. So we are going to turn, or we're just going to go to the right. Battle this monster again. Did they save my pets? And probably not. Yeah, it has Naughty instead of Snoots. Okay, so now we are going to go back up again. And now we can open this up, hopefully. And we have to avoid the squawks again. There we go, we can finally open it. Let's go up here, and I'm going to reload the page. Okay, so now we are going to head up here. And there's one right there, so we are going to skip both of these and open this. Okay, we got a cooked fish, which is good. Now I'm going to battle this monster. Okay, so now we are going to go here. And I don't believe we can avoid that, yeah. Okay, so I just went up, and I don't think there's anything over here. I'm going to check, though, nothing. And now we are going to open up this sand dune. Okay, no cooked fish, so we will avoid this. Go up here. Avoid both of these. And yeah, I think that we might have to battle that. No, we won't. Okay, we got some more cooked fish, and now I'm going to battle this, whatever it's called, shark. Okay, so now we are going to go in here, up here, and there should be one, yeah, right there, which we will open up if it will open. Okay, there we go, and all we got was gold coins. Okay, so now we're going to want to go up here, open this up, and all of these things should take about 2 to 3 days to open up, maybe 4. Some of them have different times. I'll go check up here. There shouldn't be one up here, but there could be one over here. Let's see. I'll have to remember if there isn't. Okay, there is one, and it's by a monster. Okay, so we are going to open this chest, and we got another cooked fish. Now let's go this way, and then we will go down here. Open this one up. Go left. Okay, we're gonna have to battle an Aquaster. Okay, so now we are going to open this chest. Got another cooked fish, and then we will head down here for what should be... Okay, yeah, so we have finished all of it. That is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched to the end, then you obviously enjoyed, so make sure to like and subscribe. Let's try and get to 3K by the end of the year, and bye.